kiddos. So for vocab this week, we have 2 new roots to learn, and then you've got some worksheet to follow up with the 2 new roots. It'll look very similar to the past 2 weeks. It's kind of the same format that we've been using as promised. The 2 roots we're going to look at this week are fin and ease, and you can think of it as finishing easily. How appropriate as we're finishing up the year. I've got one more vocab set for you next week, and I got it picked out specially for next week, but this week it's all about finishing easily, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna teach you the 2 new signs and what those 2 roots mean. So fin, meaning end. All right, so you may have heard that that root in words like final or finish. So you can think of final, that suffix "ul", meaning related to. So that word, related to the end. So if you take a final exam, you're taking an exam that's related to the end. So the sign for that, we're gonna use the sign for end, which is where you take your 2 hands, take your right hand and put it on top of your left hand, tap that once, and then tap it off to the side as if you're tapping it here and then at the ending point here. It's very similar to that other root we've learned for eon, the result of, or meant and sure. So instead of keeping your hand flat here, you're gonna keep it upright, so tap there. Fin, meaning end. The next root we're gonna do is ease, meaning comfort. So you may have heard that root in words like easy, easiest, disease. Actually, disease uses that root, so disease meaning not. So ease means comfort, and disease means not comfort or not comfortable, which is exactly what it would be like if you have a disease, not very comfortable. So for that, we're gonna take our 2 hands, we're gonna take our right hand and kind of swoop it over our left, and then do the same thing with your left hand. So ease, comfort, as if your hands are comforting each other. So you have a couple pages of work to do on those worksheets. It's 4 pages total, but 2 of those pages are definitions of words to help you get comfortable with the root and see it in some examples in our language. And then there's about 2 pages of activities to do. Should be pretty easy, so finishing easily here. Put those up on Seesaw under the folder roots, fin, and ease, and I can't wait to see what you did.